Hey there! Sick of getting that pesky unable to connect to data center error while you're eager to jump into Warzone Mobile match? No worries, I've got your back. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix it right from your iPhone. So let's dive straight into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Start by opening up any browser you prefer. Then, visit a website to check if it loads properly. If not, toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds, then switch it off. After that, see if the error persists. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to troubleshoot. Using a VPN like 1.1.1.1 faster internet VPN might also do the trick. Connect to the VPN and see if the error disappears. Solution 2. Offload Warzone Mobile. Begin by opening your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Find COD Warzone in the list and tap on it. Then select Offload App followed by Offload App again. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall App to start the reinstallation process. Once reinstalled, check if the error persists. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Then, tap on Reset followed by Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. Your network settings will be reset and you should be ready to play Warzone Mobile. And there you have it. You have fixed the unable to connect to a data center error in Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.